change templates in Squarespace. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your templates in your Squarespace while building a website. So first of all, just simply open your Squarespace official website, and after that just simply click on the three-dot menu icon from the top right corner of the screen, and from there you will be able to see the option called products, templates and resources. Just simply click on templates, and over here you will be able to see a bunch of different templates that you can choose from in order to build your website. So just simply go to the home page again, and after that just simply click on get started, and over here you have to select a particular template in order to start designing your website. So for example, I want to choose this particular template right here. Just simply tap on it. So first of all, just come to the dashboard section, and over here you will be able to see the option called create website. Just simply tap on it, and as soon as you click on create website, you will be able to see this particular page where you have to choose and select filters in order to choose the template for the website that you would want to create. So you can add the filters in order to make the in order to select the type of the website that you would want to create. So for example, I want to choose this particular template right here. Just simply tap on it, and after that just simply click on start with design. And over here now you can change the layout and the design, titles and color of the website as per your liking. And if you don't like this particular template as well, just simply click on the menu icon again, and just simply go back to the home page again, and from there just simply scroll down and see all the templates that are available, and just select the one that you would like the most. So there are so many templates that you can choose and change with the current template that you are using. So this way you will be able to change templates in Squarespace while building a website. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.